Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In our previous tutorial, we learned how to use the scale command. We learned how to increase or decrease the scale of any object. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the stretch command. Stretch command is basically used to stretch any particular side of any object. You will find this stretch command in this modify panel. Here you will get this command. Our shortcut command or shortcut key for stretch is str. So we'll see how to use this stretch command. Here we'll draw an object. We'll take line command and we'll draw a random object here. So enter. Now here if I want to increase this side or stretch this portion of this object, then I'll take this stretch command. I'll give shortcut key str, enter. Now select the portion that you want to stretch. Say enter. Now click at this base point and stretch it. If you click here, this portion will be stretched at this point. Now again you can stretch only a single corner of this object. I'll give here the command. Now I'll select this only this corner. So enter. Now I'll take this as a base point and drag it outside. You see only this corner is been stretched. Now here we'll take another object. We'll take line. Here we'll draw a line of 1000. Say enter. And we'll make a rectangle here. We'll take it 500. Now here the distance of this or the length of this rectangle is 100. Now suppose I want to stretch this rectangle and make this length 1200. Then what I'll do is I'll take stretch command. So enter. Select the portion that you want to stretch. Enter. Select the base point. Now give the distance, the additional distance that you want. Additional distance I want 200. I want to make it 1200 and I'm already having the distance of 1000. So here I'll give 200. Enter. You'll see this distance has become 1200. Similarly, this length is 500. So if you want to make it 700, suppose I want the total length as 700, then I'll give stretch command, enter, select this portion, enter, click on this as base point and give a distance of 200. Say enter. So hope you all have understood how to use this stretch command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.